India proposes to expand research tourism in the Arctic. India has unveiled a new draft Arctic policy. India's Arctic policy roadmap for sustainable engagement draft writes on five pillars: science and research activities, economic and human development cooperation, transportation and connectivity, governance and international cooperation, national capacity building. Highlights of the policy. The policy commits to expanding the scientific research, sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism is also included, and mineral oil and gas exploration in the Arctic region. This is also mineral oil and gas exploration is also included in the main policy. The draft spells out goals in India's Arctic mission, such as to better understand the scientific and climate-related linkages between the Arctic and Indian monsoon. It also seeks to harmonize polar research and the third pole, Himalayas, and to advance the third pole. Himalaya is called third pole, and to advance the study and understanding of Arctic within India. The policy calls for exploration opportunities for responsible exploration of natural resources and minerals from the Arctic and identifying opportunities for investment in the Arctic infrastructure in the areas such as offshore exploration or mining, railways, and airports. See, it's basically a roadmap for science and technology, research activities, and economic and human development cooperation, transportation, governance and international cooperation, and also national capacity building. Basically, it provides for tourism, mineral and oil exploration, and India Arctic mission for climate-related linkages, and also to harmonize the research between the third pole and the Arctic, and also policy calls for exploration opportunities responsible for exploration of natural resources like physical exploration of natural resources and minerals from the Arctic and identifying the opportunities for investment in the Arctic infrastructure in the areas such as offshore exploration, mining, ports, railways, and airports. So, Arctic region. The Arctic region comprises of Arctic Ocean and parts of the countries such as Canada, Denmark, Greenland, Norway, Russia, USA, Alaska, Finland, Sweden, Iceland, and so on. These countries together form the core of Arctic Council, an intergovernmental forum. The region is home to almost 4 million inhabitants, of which one-tenth are indigenous people. India's engagement in the Arctic. India already has a research station in the Arctic called Himatri for the research work. India received observer country status in the Arctic Council in 2013. Is one among the 13 countries across the world, including China, to have that position. The status was renewed in 2018. Significance of the Arctic study for India. Though none of the India's territory directly falls in the Arctic region, it is crucial area as the Arctic influences atmosphere, oceanographic and biogeochemical cycles of the Earth's ecosystem. Due to the climate change, see, physical atmosphere, oceanographic and biogeochemical cycles of the Earth's ecosystem. Due to the climate change, the region faces the loss of sea ice and ice caps, and warming of the ocean, which in turn impacts the global climate. The frigid Arctic, which keep losing ice due to the global warming, is one of the batteries feeding the variations in Indian monsoon.